Hello! Today in math, you're going to need your function machine page with the rule page on the back. All right, you're going to need a pencil, maybe your wipe-off board and a marker, and we're going to be talking about function machines and the rules that go along with them. We're going to talk about the $1 bill and the dollar sign. Okay, let's get started right now. I'm going to start with the dollar bill right now. I found one of my dollars and I stuck it on this board, and $1 equals 100 cents. Oh, and this is how you can write $1 right here. A 1 with a dollar sign, an S with a line through it, or you can put two lines through it if you want to. They both mean the same thing. $1, that's another way to write it, with a decimal point for the cent sign, but there are no cents, so it's just $1. 100 pennies equals $1. 20 nickels equal $1. 10 dimes equal $1, and 4 quarters equal $1. If you have a magnifying glass at home, you could look at George Washington and find all of the things that are on $1. All right, we do have, I did send home a paper that's for a dollar exchange game, $1 game. You need to roll a die and count pennies. And when you get 10 pennies, you exchange that for a dime. And when you get 10 dimes, you exchange that for $1, and you keep going until you get $100. Now, or, yes, a $100 bill. Or you can just exchange that for, $10 or whatever. I sent that paper home with you home to you also. All right, now we're going to talk about the number family of 10 right here. Now, on the number family of 10, let me move my board back just a little so you can see better. We are going to just use our tally sticks, the orange ones. And I'm going to use a red and blue marker. Here it is, number family of 10. All right, of course, we're going to start right now. And I'm going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 sticks. All right, so if I hold all 10 right here, in my right hand, there they are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 plus 10 equals 10. So 0 plus 10 equals 10. All right, so then if I put 1 in my left hand and 9 in my right hand, do I still have 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I still have 10, so 1 plus 9 equals 10. Oops, 9, that's red, equals 10. All right, if I put 2 in my left hand, and then how many will I have in my right hand? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. The next one, I'm going to move one more over. 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. All right, now I'm going to move one more over. 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. I see the pattern going very strong right now. Okay, move one more over. I have 5 in this hand. I have 5 in this hand, so 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right, do I need to do it with these, or can you tell right now? If I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the next number would be 6 going down, and then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. The next number would be 4 going down, and let's see if that's right. I have 5 and 5, so I'm going to move one over. 3, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. You were right. All right, now I'm going to move another one over. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. I'm starting to see the partners show up right there. All right, here we go. Move one more over. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. That equals 10. All right. Now I'm going to move one more over. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 1. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And of course, when I move them all over to one hand and have none in the other hand, that is 10 plus 0 equals 10. The number family of 10. Now we're going to move on over and we're going to look at the function machine. You need your page for the function machine right here. All right, there it is. I drew one up on my board right here as a resource, but I also brought our class function machine home with me, and I'm sure you would love to see that. So right now I'm going to get ready and show that to you and show you how it works. Now you might have to guess on some of it how it works, but here we go. All right, I have a box here, but I'm going to put the function machine on top of the box. You're going to love this thing. All right, let's see. Here it is. This is my function machine. See the hole at the top? I can put things in and they'll come out the hole in the bottom. So see if you can figure out what my rule is. All right, there might already be something inside there. All right, so I'm going to get some pennies in my hand, and I'm going to put two pennies in the function machine. See them? 1, 2. All right, here goes the pennies. All right, 1, 2. Oh my goodness, 3 pennies came shooting out. I wonder why 3 pennies came out. Oh my stars, I've only put 2 in, but 3 came out the bottom. Okay, well, let me see what happens if I put 3 pennies in. What's going to happen if I put 3 pennies in? Here I go. I'm going to put 3 pennies in. Ready? Here I go. I have the 3 in my hand. Here we go. Oh my stars, 4 pennies came out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, if I put 4 pennies in, let's see what happens. This is kind of crazy, isn't it? If I put 4 pennies in, here I go. 4 pennies. What? 5 pennies came shooting out of that machine. I wonder what is going on with this machine. 5 pennies came out, but I only put 4 in there. That is quite the machine, the function machine. Well, let's look on the board here and see what was really happening with that machine. There is a rule that that machine was following, so let's look at that and see what it could be. All right, so let me get my markers. Where did those little markers go? Here they are. All right, so I put 2 pennies in the machine at first. So I went into the machine with 2 pennies, 1, 2, and something happened inside there because 3 came out. 3 pennies came out. There must have been something in there to do that. Now, I took those 3 pennies and I dropped those into the machine, clunk, 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 1, 2, 3. But then 4 pennies came out of my machine. What is my rule for that? All right, so let's see. Let's look at where it says rule, right up here. In went 2 and out came 3. There must have been something inside there. And then 3 went in and 4 came out. So how many more is 3 than 2? How many more is 4 than 3? You're right. It is one more. So my rule is plus 1. It is plus 1. So if we know it's plus 1, if I would have put the 4 pennies in, how many would come out? Yes, yes, yes. 5 pennies would come out. If I would have put those 5 pennies in, how many would come out? 6 would have come out for the plus 1 rule. What a fabulous machine. Now, on your paper, you can follow along and do that. All right, you can illustrate it and you can do that. We will do more of this function machine another day. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.